Hello students, today's video is about asymptotes of curves. What is called asymptote is the first question come to your mind when you see the word asymptotes. The first question is which is come to your mind, that is, what is called asymptotes and what is the meaning of the word asymptote is. The word asymptotes is coming from Greek language. Which means not falling together. Not falling together. This means which are not falling together. Not falling together. So it must be tell of something which varies the two particles, of course, or two lines or two curves. Here the curves are important. Here the two curves will not falling together. Means they are not touching each other mainly. Then we are talking about what is the asymptote in the graph. In graph we tell asymptotes where a curve and a line, a curve and a straight line are going nearer to each other. A graph, a straight line, and let this is the curve, and they are going nearer to each other, but they will not touch each other in any time. When it tends to infinity, the distance between them is going to 0, but never be 0. These points called asymptotes. Like this is the straight line, and that this is the straight line, and this is the curve. Now they are going to 0, but these two lines never touch each other, so it is the asymptote. Mathematically, we can write that if y equal to fx be a curve and xy is point on it, then the equation of tangent at xy is y minus small y equal to dy dx, the capital X minus small x. So y equal to dy dx capital X plus y minus x dy dx. Y equal to this is small y, this is small y minus x dy dx. Now let this equation is number 1 equation. Now let x tends to infinity. Now let us add a page here. X tends to infinity. Now if asymptote exists here, then x tends to infinity, then dy dx and y minus x dy dx, this both, let they have a finite limit. Dy dx tends to let L and y minus x dy dx tends to let K. Now the equation tends to y equal to L into x plus K. The equation tends to this. So now this line y equal to Lx plus m will be the asymptote of this curve y equal to fx, have asymptote y equal to Lx plus k. It is the property of asymptotes. Now we know that it is asymptotes. We will have many more videos on asymptotes. Now let us end this video here. To know more about these asymptotes, you have to watch our others videos. Thank you.